Another giveaway, guys. I know. This time is the HCCA 2000.4. Okay, watch this. We're gonna put you the testing like in the other videos. You got to guess on the 2000.4 what was the result on both bridge channels for the dynamic mode. All right, dynamic mode. We're gonna show you what it did on certified mode. We're not showing you uncertified, so you don't do any kind of math. We're showing you certified mode, and you gotta guess dynamic mode. Remember, you gotta guess two numbers. They may be the same number, they may be different numbers, but you gotta guess closer to both numbers, not go over them. 3 different giveaways, 3 different winners. The winner of this one will get the same amplifier we tested, the HCCA 2000.4. Answers should be here on YouTube. You can look at the videos on Instagram and Facebook, but you have to answer here on the YouTube video. Stay tuned for more giveaways, guys. Good luck. HCCA 2000.4, bridge mode on channels 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We got all power wires connected, our dyno set up. So let's try first our certified run, 4-ohm load, 2 channels. Here you get the 4-ohm load, as you can see, and we're gonna start dyno and let's see what are the results. Right, certified mode, we got 1156 and 1134 on channel 1 and 2, and that's the result at 1452. This is gonna be the dynamic power run on it. So we're gonna choose 2 channels because we're using it in bridge mode, and since it's bridge mode, we need a 4-ohm load. So let's start dyno. We're gonna measure channel 1 and 2 on bridge mode and channel 3 and 4 on bridge mode as well. Again, 4-channel test on the HCCA 2000.